Hey y'all, had to get over here and check this lift out. This is a 37-foot Freeman we lifted yesterday with quadruple 300 Mercury engines on it. It's quite the lift. Got some new pilings we installed here. It's an Echo pile. It's a plastic vinyl composite piling. It's a new product to the industry. We're trying them out, see how they're going to work out. But it's 12 inches in diameter by 35 foot long. We jetted those in and also vibrated them and driven them down to the depths that they needed to be. This is quite the lift. I had to go over here and see it for myself, and I got some videos my guys took as they were lifting the boat up, seeing how it was exactly done.
You're gonna hit that wallboard. Too narrow? You're gonna have to hit the wallboard on this side. It's not centered.
Yeah, you need to be.
You need to be that way.
And you almost need guy pipes on the end of the wallboard.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I would tilt them up on that.
Yeah, they need to put them up.
I would have somebody walk down that wallboard and walk that sucker in there with those times.
Yeah, that's what you need.
That's what Jeremy said, told him they need to do.
Right, needs to be in that motor walking that boat.
Come on.
Take it out, reline it. Line is right there.
Get them up.
Look good?
It looks good, but I don't know that you're going to clear. Yeah, you cleared. You cleared.
You got another one to go over.
You got one more to go on the back.
Just walk it back now. Grab that guide post and kind of just walk them back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get it. Get it.
Just take it out of gear.
Jack it back up a little bit.
Tilt it back up?
Yeah, tilt them up a little bit.
That one this side.
Tilt up.
Yeah, he's got that. There you go. Alright.
Okay, just walk it back. Grab that guide post, walk to the front one. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
I didn't need guys have to put your walkboards there. Thank you. It's going to look better with fishing wheels on it.
You look better with some dive gear on it.
Or that. What's the tide doing right now? Right, it's about a foot and a half there. Foot and a quarter out.
Huh?
Got some lower walkways installed on this lift. The customer actually ordered the lift himself, and we installed it for him. These pilings, like I said, are 35-foot long, 12-inch pilings. And I got information on the end of the video here as far as what the pilings are. It's something I've not used before, but it's a new environmentally friendly piling. Hey y'all, thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now. Hit the like and share button. If you got any comments or questions on how we do this, please feel free to leave me a message and I'll try to get back with you. Got a lot more projects coming up, so y'all keep on watching.